Hola, buenos días. Hoy vamos a estudiar la palabra cargo. What does that mean? Vamos a is we're going to. Estudiar, study, estudiar. La palabra, the word. Palabra. Cargo. Right. Cargo has three meanings. The first one is to do with cost. Okay? El costo, el precio, el cargo. The second one to do with responsabilidad. El cargo. And the third one to do with el trabajo, which is work, el empleo, un oficio. So that is un cargo. Hoy, let's just look at broad examples for those three meanings. The first one, este número, this telephone number. Without is sin. So if I wanted to say it's a toll-free number, then este número es sin cargo. Okay? El costo, el precio, el cargo. Second, I don't want to be in charge of these children. I don't want the responsibility for these children. Okay? I don't want is no quiero. And then to be is estar. No quiero estar a cargo de estos niños. Gracias. And the third and final ejemplo for today. I have a good job. I have is tengo. So you could say tengo un buen empleo o tengo un buen cargo. Bien? This week we will explorar en más detalles esta palabra cargo. So I'll see you mañana. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me which of the three examples was most interesting for you. Hasta mañana. Adiós.